Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Can I come in?
Yeah, of course. It'll open. It'll open.
That door is heavy.
Oh, dude, yeah. It'll open. It's just a fucking bitch.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Tristen Cooper. You got 16 Skar ZBX 12s on 4 AKs. Each set of 4s at 1 on per AK.
And what is your, it's a 4th order, so what's your tuning on it?
The box is tuned to 43. I don't know what seal it is and what port is. I don't know exactly.
It's all good.
I know the peak, we peaked at around 41.
Yes, sir.
Did a 61.5 at 41 and a 50 at 25.
Wow. Man, nice work.
To get killed, seen the lace.
Punchy, man.
Yeah.
Woo. You built this?
Drew designed it, and me and my pop, we did
nice.
Steel caves all the way around, metal roof, welded pillars.
Yep. Looks really good.
Shit ton of braces, dude.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna do another sheet, make it look flush and everything. It's only been playing a week, so we decided to bring it out and shits and giggles.
Yes, sir. Very nice. And thank you for the demo, man.
Of course.
Good job. You have a good day.
Outside the door.
You're gonna have to
Inside's
open.
already broken.
You have to open it hard.
Yeah.
Lift up.
It will open. It's just heavy as fuck. Yeah.
Woo. Team father son. All right.
for 40 days. All my niggas strapped, I'm talking 40K. All my niggas strapped 140 ways. Got money on my head, but can't afford to pay.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.